I'm a python, grab what I like real fast, do it till I have everything I attack, everything that I lack, everything that I want, and I see matter of fact.
Cause I'm my own worst enemy, only if I let it be. I can control anything if I can just think carefully. I control my destiny. Deep up in my mind I manifest it. Every morning I wake up obsessed, and everything I do the best. And deep within my mind, you know I'll always manifest it.
somewhere. Cool. Right. Just been up to Kilkenny Castle, still in the spring anyway. But yeah, it's cool. A great place to be in. It's like something from Lord of the Rings, or not Lord of the Rings, Harry Potter. But it's a great place to be in the summer. Loads of people having picnics and stuff up there and in the grass and that. Haven't been up here in a long time actually. See how beautiful it is. We set up now for the summer and stuff like that, so it'll be a cracking place to be. My bird's tea, not the greatest, but sure, look, won't complain. Yeah, I'm not going to stay here long anyway because we'll get dark in a while and have to get back down the country roads, so it'll be fun. Should go grab a cup of tea somewhere. Hello, pussycat. Good little thing, innit?